Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture number 8, Computer Science 8th class. Today we are going to study our lecture number 8 from unit number 2. Previously we have studied a lot of from this unit. We have studied computer security threats, types of threats, and ways through which the virus forms and adverse are spread. In last lecture we have studied managing an antivirus, in which we study antivirus and virus definition or updates, and widely used antivirus softwares. In widely used antivirus software, we did not study this topic completely. We have only studied the semantic antivirus. Today we are going to study the other antiviruses we have in this chapter. Let's start our lecture. So students, in last lecture we have studied semantic antivirus. Today we are going to study from McAfee antivirus. McAfee Virus Scan is an antivirus program created and maintained by McAfee Incorporation. McAfee Antivirus offers effective security to the computer from attacks of malware. McAfee Virus Scan Enterprise combines antivirus, anti-spyware, firewall, and hacking prevention technologies to stop and remove malicious software. Antivirus is to stop the viruses to attack your system or to harm your data. The spyware, anti-spyware is used that if someone has installed any kind of software on your system, that he or she can spy on your system, that what are you doing, he can find out easily. This and McAfee will stop that working. Firewall is to stop unauthorized access to your system, and hacking, you can understand what is hacking. So McAfee Enterprise combines. McAfee Enterprise is as its version, which has been named McAfee Enterprise. It will help you to stop your viruses, your spyware, and your of unauthorized access and from hacking. It's help you to prevent that all things. Figure 2.9 shows a message from McAfee Antivirus. Security you can trust. McAfee Virus Scan Enterprise. Here is an image which is showing that a security you can trust. It is their catalog. They are showing to you that you can trust them. Next is AVG Antivirus. AVG is antivirus software developed by AVG Technologies, a private Czech company formerly known as Graysoft. It provides internet security for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. AVG stands for Antivirus Guard. Basically, it's a private firm which has developed an antivirus software which helps you to against viruses and internet security. One version of AVG is available for free, which can be downloaded from the internet. It has a free version, you can download it from the internet. The AVG free edition application provides basic protection for surfing, searches, and social networking. If you are using internet facility, you can download its free edition and use it according to your work, but it will not provide you all the features which it has in its paid version. AVG Antivirus Free Edition is only available for single computer use, for home or and non-commercial use. You can use it only for your single system. You can use it for on one laptop or one PC. It will not help you against commercial use. In AVG, updating of virus definition is performed automatically. In last lecture we have studied what is virus definition. Virus definition is a dictionary where all the updated virus information has been stored. When an when an antivirus scans the system, it gets the data from the virus definition and check whether this file or the folder has any virus or not. Figure 2.10 shows AVG antivirus logo, where it is this ones. Now let's study how we can find virus in our computer. To find a virus, we do a scanning process using an antivirus. Scanning a computer for viruses. Scanning the computer for threats like viruses, worms, adware, etc. is very important to keep a computer system in good working condition. It helps to protect a computer from different computer security threats. User needs to install antivirus software on the computer to perform this very important task. The antivirus software enables the users to detect and remove computer viruses and also repair infected files if possible. Scanning a computer for virus worms adware is very important. If we do not do this, our computer might have got affected by this thing and we may lose our very important data. So to do such kind of thing, we do have to install a antivirus on our computer. When we have installed an antivirus, we use that antivirus to scan our computer. When we when we start the scan procedure, it scans all over our computer and check whether there is any virus, worm or adware that is disturbing our computer. If so, it isolated or quarantine that file or folder until it finds out that whether it is harmful or not. Scanning a computer using antivirus, AVG antivirus. Here we will see how we can use an AVG antivirus to scan our computer to get rid of the virus, worms and adwares. Follow these steps to scan the computer using antivirus software. Run AVG antivirus software using the following step. Click Start. What is Start? Start button which has been placed inside your Windows at the most left bottom corner of your computer. Some may move the Windows menu, but it is always at your left bottom corner of your PC's window. You click it on its you click Start, then a programs, there is a word written on the right side of your window that is named program. Then you click on program, then there is written AVG free edition, then you click AVG antivirus free edition for Windows. Click update manager for updates as shown in figure 2.11. Here this one is the 2.11. this is update now. Internet connection is required for that purpose. Always check for update before scanning computer. Before scanning a computer, you have to check that update the virus definition in your database already you have installed. Although it's do automatically, but for your satisfaction you can do it by yourself too. Here it is the button, then when you click it update, now it start updating and this will be sure preparing installation will be started. Then once you start the update, AVG will firstly verify whether there are new update files available. If so, AVG starts their downloading and launches the update process itself. Once it finishes downloading the update, it will install it and may restart AVG free edition. You have started the updation process. When the updation process starts, AVG may not work very properly. Once you have found that there is an update available on the website, it will download it. After download, it will install it, and once it installed, it may restart the antivirus again or ask you to restart it. Then click scan now as shown in figure 2.12. It will then start scanning the computer for infected file. This will take some time. Here this is the button scan now, scan option. There are multiple scan options. You can do whole computer scan, scan specific files or folder, anti-rootkit scan, or managing schedule scan. You can do which one you have, or you can check your scan history or view virus wallet. The whole computer scan option can be launched directly from the scanning interface. Clicking on it as shown in figure 2.13, the scanning will start. When you click, On this whole computer scan, this windows will be appear in front of you, and you can see what going on. It is saying that object scan threats found, currently scanning current objects, and here is a line, a slide bar which is moving, telling you 36% is completed. If viruses are detected, they will be automatically removed or sent to the virus wallet as shown in figure 2.12. Threats found 12. They have been transferred to wallet. Okay. You can remove or delete these viruses by clicking on them, or the software antivirus AVG antivirus will automatically delete these. In short, antivirus is a software which helps you to do protect your data. How? It will stop viruses to affect your files. It will have adwares to affect your system. It will stop worms to affect your system. It also has for secure internet surfing. Secure internet surface mean is that if there is a website you have opened that contains virus file that will automatically download it to your system, it will not let that happen. So here we can see that our unit number 2 is complete in this lecture. We can now move on to our next lecture for next unit. So students, in today's lecture we have studied widely used antivirus software, in which we have studied McAfee and AVG antivirus. We have already studied semantic antivirus software in our last lecture. Then we have studied scanning computer using AVG antivirus, in which we studied how an AVG antivirus work and what will be the steps we should have to be taken to protect or scan our computer. By this our lecture has been ended up. Our unit number 2 has been completed. If you have any issue, any problem, then let me know. I will do again a video lecture or do something that will help you. Till next lecture, take care of yourself and your surroundings and your family members. Till next lecture, Allah Hafiz.